This video walks through the steps needed to access the SCD HLM app through RStudio on a Mac OS. If you already have R and RStudio installed, then you can open RStudio and skip ahead to the RStudio Setup. First, I'm going to install R via cran.r-project.org. I find the Download and Install R section and select the download for my computer software. Here, I'm using a Mac, so I select Download R for Mac OS. I want access to the latest version of R, so I can click on r-4.2-0.package, which will automatically download the installer for R onto my computer. Once the download is complete, opening the installer will bring me through a set of installation instructions as follows. I'll press Continue to allow the guide to set up R, then continue through the important information and requirements. I then agree to the terms of the software license agreement and click Install. Once I see that the installation was successful, I can close the installer and either keep the installer or move it to trash. R is now installed onto my computer. Next, I'm going to install RStudio via rstudio.com/products/rstudio/download. Scrolling to the bottom of this page gives the All Installers section, where I can then select the relevant download. Here, I'm using a Mac, so I select the download for this OS. Once the download is complete, opening it will bring me to the computer location of RStudio. I want to drag RStudio into my computer applications, and I can then open it by clicking on its icon. Once R and RStudio are downloaded, I need to install several packages for R in order to run the SCD HLM app. On the left side of RStudio is my console, where I use the install.packages command to run the following: install.packages ggplot2, install.packages shiny, install.packages markdown, install.packages readxl, install.packages janitor, install.packages glue, install.packages rclipboard, and install.packages SCD HLM. Now that all packages are installed, I just need two last commands to get it up and running. A note here, next time you want to access the app, this is all you'll need to do. Just type the following: library SCD HLM to load the SCD HLM package, and shine_SCD to open and use the web app. And the app pops up in a new tab of your web browser. Once I'm done using the app, I can close the browser window, or I can select this red stop icon in the upper right-hand corner of the RStudio console window, which will also stop the app.